Oh yeah.
Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah.
Oh
There's a
my
gray.
gosh. Junction Butte wolves.
There's a gray there too.
Yeah, I figured there would be. I had seen the gray before, but I figured
Very nice.
They're both up. They're both
been
up.
far away.
They're both up. These are Junction Butte.
Yeah, Junction Butte is what these are.
Oh my gosh.
The black one's going off to his right. The gray's just standing back.
Where's the gray at? Behind it?
Behind
way
it, quite
behind
a
it.
ways, yeah.
He's just scratching, sitting and scratching. To the left of that down log a little bit.
Oh, okay. Oh, there it is down there, right in the
I
opening.
lost him.
Yeah, there he is. Yeah,